What's up, everybody? It's Raf in the Rafcave, and this is an unboxing of the Ring Floodlight. So if you look at my previous videos, I love the Ring Doorbell Pro. Fantastic. It is so amazing to have your front door in the palm of your hand on your cell phone, right? So amazing to be able to see what's going on in the front door, who answers the door, who walks in front of the door. If you want to talk to somebody at the door, boom, 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 all at your fingertips. Beautiful. Quality is fantastic. The sound is good. The motion's great. The wide viewing angle is just great. I love it. So if you're looking for a smart doorbell between Nest and Ring, I'm going Ring, because it also integrates very well with Amazon products, Alexa, Fire Sticks, all over the house. Fantastic. I love it. Now, I wanted to get some viewing in the backyard, right? Because I got the front, pretty much in the front. I'm going to grab a couple more cameras in the future, but I want to have a nice wide view of my backyard. So that way, if anything goes on in the back of the house, animals, deer, whatever, walking out back there, I'm going to have an option to see it and have lights and have a siren and be able to talk, of course, which is amazing. Love it. So I'm going to unbox this for you, and I'm going to go hook it up outside. I'll try to do video, capture of what I'm doing. But apparently it's pretty easy to set up. As long as you already have a floodlight in the back with the, the little circle spot with the two bulbs or whatever it is, this would match up really well. So I'm looking forward to hooking this up and have more view of the house. I love it. Security at its finest. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, I'm Raf. I do inspiration videos on home theater to give you ideas, unboxings, game content, and of course reactions, which I love to do. So if you're new, consider subscribing. Like this video, subscribe, share. Appreciate it very much. And Merry Early Christmas, or Happy Hanukkah, and all that good stuff. All right, without further ado, let's unbox this. Let's go. Black pin. All right, guys, let's get this unboxed. I'll show you the front of it real quick. Boom. Ring floodlight cam, motion activated, which I love. Security camera, floodlight, two-way talk and siren, 1080p video, advanced motion, really loud siren. Love it. The Ring story, of course. Just love that ability where you can talk to somebody, close it, mute what you're saying, share it if you want, and have a wide view of everything. Clear picture too. Home security, whole new light. There's the back of it there. Awesome. And the side of it. Boom. All right. A couple pieces of tape here, looks like. Boom. And boom. All right, lift it up. Get that out of here. Ring. All right, how do we open this there? Okay. All right, pulling up the side. And open sesame. There we go. Say hello to Ring. World's most advanced floodlight. So you have I think that's a light sensor here, speaker, siren, camera. Lift this guy up here. Okay. Wow, look at that. Very cool. All right, Ring, always home. Love that. So on the inside here, I'm sure we're gonna have some instructions. We got the Ring sticker if you want to put down the window in the backyard or back window. Let people know you're serious about security. Some instruction books here. Some light switch stickers. If you have light switches that control power, oh, I like this. I want to put this on my light switch inside the kitchen. Okay, very cool. Definitely want to do that. All right, that's good. There we go. Okay, wow. All kinds of stuff. So you got a bunch of wires in here. Everything you need to plug it into your existing outlet. Okay, so this is the back plate. Water drains down this side. Okay, up and down. Gotcha. So there you go. You got your two LEDs there. The camera. Well, I hope this works out. Put it on my existing outlet and go from there. And these are adjustable, so you can turn them and adjust them and lock them down, depending on the position you want. All right, so put that aside. All right, digging in deeper here. Installation kit, look at that. This is all you need in this little tiny box. See what goodies we have. Okay, so you got the screwdriver here. You got the unlock there. Screwdriver there. Got the various screws here. Very nice. Then you have this little hook deal to pull wire, I guess. Then your little caps here to connect wires together and then twist them. All right, guys. So there's the unboxing. I'm about to go outside and get this going. Hopefully this goes smoothly. Here we go. All right, guys, before you begin, always make sure you cut off the breaker to your floodlight outside or any other lights or doorbells you're gonna do, because you don't want to worry about all right, guys. All right, guys, so that's what I have currently. This thing here, so hopefully I'll be able to take it off and everything should go smoothly. All right, I'm gonna take it off. Let's go. All right, guys, so I took off the floodlight there, see, and that's what's inside the little hole there. So when you look at the instruction book, basically I'm gonna take that piece off, and I'm gonna put their template, screw that in, and then the Ring doorbell, or the floodlight will just fit right on that little circle plate right there perfectly. So, all right, then connect the same wires you want, lug nuts, boom, 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 a couple more screws, and we're in business, man. This doesn't look hard at all, guys. It's very simple. All right. Okay, guys, so far so good. I got the back plate on, and I got the little black hook right here, right here, to hold the floodlight up while I'm working. One thing I would suggest, guys, is strip this wire a little longer. You know what I mean? So I have wire strippers right here, so I'm able to strip the wire, because that way you can wrap. See, right here, there, right here. I can wrap this around a few times before I put on the cap. Same with the white, or the white one here. See, I'm gonna match these two together. So just have more wires so you can match them up and really twist them good before you put these rubber these caps on. Okay, that's my advice, guys. Wire strippers makes things easier. So I have the white on white connected and the black with the black connected. Right, put the little caps on, screw them together, push that in, and then make sure you get the grounding connected from the house ground, and then this guy ground to that plug there. And then just shove all these extra wires back in here, and then I'm going to put the mount onto the two screws here and here, get it centered, and then tighten it down, and then we'll power it up. All right, guys, I got it all tightened down. So basically, once you attach it, just put these screw bolts on and tighten them down really good. I scratched mine because I needed to get some pliers to really tighten it in, so don't worry. And then you got these two little adjustments here, so you can raise and lower the lights. And then, of course, the camera itself, you have a screw right here you want to loosen up, and then there's a ball joint to level it out and get it centered. And they say you want to have this right here perpendicular with the floor, so you gotta keep that. Make sure that's about right there, I guess, right about there. All right, guys, I'm going to continue with the app to set this up, and I'll be done after that. All right, guys, I got it installed. Front door and back door. Click that. Live view. Oh, there I am, guys. Installed and amazing. Boom. Ring. Thank you very much. I love it. Guys, get one. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helps you out. And I'm talking you through my camera. It was easy, guys. Seriously, like 20, 25 minutes. No problemo. Ring, thank you for making it so easy. All right. You guys have a good day. I'll see you in the next video. Skull.